Hey, Jojo here, back in the garage with another one. And today I'm going to try a new cool tool that I bought. I got a problem on this old Corvette. The shift shaft seal is leaking like crazy. So I ordered this off Scamazon. Just pick one, I guess. This one's a PMD Products 9250. And what this thing allegedly does is gives you the ability to change the shift shaft seal on a transmission. Let's see, 300, 350, 400, 700, 4L60. So that whole family of shift shaft seals without taking the pan off or the valve body or dropping the linkage or the rooster comb and all that. I did also see that maybe like some Allison transmissions, maybe, I don't know. So we're gonna head down underneath the car. I figure if there's one car on earth that's hard to change this seal on, it's gonna be a freaking Corvette, because it's in a real, it's recessed up in a fiberglass tub. So let's head underneath there and see if this tool is the hot ticket. So that's the remover. This is the installer. And all this looks like is like a easy out with a hole in the middle of it that you can grind into the steel part of the seal and then use this bolt against the shaft to extract it. So we're going to see how well this works. Like I said, this brand new, never used it. Yeah, right. Well, we're underneath the car and you can see this thing is really leaking bad. The bushing doesn't seem worn, but it's dripping. If you could only see how much is dripping. You see that? Look at all that. I wiped that off about, I don't know, probably about, I don't know, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Saturday. Put this guy up in here over the shaft. Oh, wow. You know what? Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit over the... That's nice. Well, that's a fail. It doesn't even fit over the shaft. Isn't that great? That's all cleaned up. So I guess we better get a... I don't know, maybe there's a ridge in there or something. What a frickin' joke, dude. Scamazon. Hold on. I shouldn't have to be doing this. Let's see if it works. All right, we're back underneath the car. Oh. See if this fits over here. You know what? Let me, I already cleaned that off once, but let me hit that again with some spray. There we go. Let's see here. Yeah, it fits on the shaft now. I guess you put pressure on it, twist it in, put pressure on it with my is it? Oh yeah, this is going great. That's exactly what I want to do. Booger them up. Oh my God. Yeah, that's going perfect. Oh, now it's wedged. Love to see that. I might have got a hold of something here. Oh, I got a hold of something. Let's see what we got here going on here now. Oh, yeah, perfect. That won't fit in there. That is awesome. That's more Corvette interference. You're not going to have that on a, you know, on a like a C10 pickup truck. Let me see if I can find a shorter bolt, I guess. I'll be damned if this thing ain't 3/8/16. I still don't have. Oh, that's awesome. Great. Yay. Come on. Okay, here we go. Oh. Yeah, that doesn't hit the shift shaft, so that's awesome. What the frick? Well, now that we got this started on here, maybe if I back this out, put the bolt in it, and then put it back in, it'll like do the thing. Let's try that, I guess. Since we've already massacred the seal that's in there. Ooh. It definitely bit down on that seal. Maybe that is the trick. Maybe. Okay. Okay, got a bite on the seal. Are you kidding? This frickin' bolt isn't. Oh, there. Ooh, we don't have much, but we got something. Is it working? Of course, you can't see because I can't see. Oh, I think it might be working. Oh my gosh. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Oh, she's a gusher now. Ooh, my hair. Put the pan back. Ugh. All right, let's see if the driver that they give you will fit over the shaft. Yeah, see, the driver fits, so WTF. All right, let me go get the new seal. We'll drive her in and get you back on the bench. All right, here's a new seal. Put a little Seal Glide on there, give her a fighting chance. Oh, get on there. Oh, bitch. Okay. Now, of course, on a Corvette, we're going to have to use an extension. Use an extension on your driver. Yeah, that you can't. Well, I don't know. Is it in all the way? Don't look bad. Get you up close. I don't know if you can see that. Eh? I'll clean that pan out, wipe this all down again with brake clean and a rag, and we'll check it in a couple days. Well, here we are back at the bench. Here's the shift shaft seal that we took out. Did this tool work? Yes. Should I had to have reamed out the center hole to get it to fit over the shift shaft? No. But this was like $14, okay? On a Corvette with a 400, this is a C3 Corvette, 1975, I had to use an 1.25 inch bolt. The bolt that it came with is 1.5 inches. And then I would assume, I figure what I'll do is I'll put this somewhere. I'm going to put all these 3 bolts with it. Pickup truck's probably everything that has a nice big large tunnel to work in. Corvette, I don't know what. This may not even reach. But did it get the job done? Yes. What's interesting is the driver for the new seal fit right over. So they know what the inner diameter should be. But I don't know, maybe the Chinese kid that made this one didn't talk to the Chinese kid that made that one. So PMD product sealed shift shaft seal remover, good. Just remember, you might have to ream out that hole. So I don't know, hopefully that'll help somebody out in their quest to seal up all the leaks. Catch you on the next one.